What Nigerian law says about recovering debt from a private individual. The Court of Appeal explains that for a claim to be classified as a debt, the amount owed must be certain and fixed. The due date must have passed. The obligation must arise from an agreement between the parties, that is, the creditor, who is owed, and the debtor who owes. So, how do you recover your money legally? 1. Start with an amicable settlement. Try resolving the issue directly. Talk to the debtor, remind them, and possibly agree on a new repayment plan. Example 1. Chika borrows 200,000 naira from her friend, Hannah, promising to pay in 2 months. After 3 months and several reminders, Hannah reaches out again. Chika apologizes and proposes to repay in 2 installments. Hannah agrees. This is a lawful, amicable resolution. 2. Send a formal demand letter. If talks fail, the creditor should send a demand letter stating the amount owed, the agreed terms, a deadline for repayment, and the possibility of legal action. Example 2. Amara lends 500,000 naira to her cousin, look for a business deal. 2 months later, he refuses to pick her calls. She hires a lawyer who sends a demand letter. The cousin, now shaken, responds and agrees to repay the debt. This is a proper legal step. 3. Try mediation or arbitration. If the original agreement includes a dispute resolution clause, the parties can settle through mediation or arbitration instead of going straight to court. 4. Go to court. If the debtor still refuses to pay, the creditor can sue in the magistrate court for smaller debts, or the high court for larger debts. Special court procedures like the undefended list or summary judgment can fast-track recovery if there's no genuine dispute. 5. Enforce the judgment. Winning in court isn't the end. To get your money, you may need to obtain a garnishee order to freeze the debtor's bank account, or get a writ of execution to seize their assets. Important warning: don't involve the police. Under Nigerian law, the police cannot be used to recover debts. Their job is to prevent and investigate crimes, not to settle civil disputes. You could even be sued for malicious prosecution. Final notes: you must institute action within 6 years from when the debt became due. Always keep written records, such as agreements, receipts, and messages. You can recover your money. You just can't break the law to do it.